Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and turn off low data mode on iPhone. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video, shall we? So first things first, what we're going to do is simply go ahead and open the settings application on your mobile device and then look for cellular. Once you simply go ahead and tap on that, you need to simply go ahead and look for cellular data options. And once you go ahead and find that, simply tap on data mode. So let me just go ahead and do that. And once you've done that, all you need to do is simply go ahead and toggle this low data mode right over here. And it is as simple as that. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.